You create a view to simplify queries, then try to update it and the database throws an error. What just happened? Not all views are updatable, and understanding why can save you hours of debugging. The biggest culprit is aggregate functions. If your view uses sum, count, avg, max, or min, it's non-updatable. Why? Because aggregates collapse multiple rows into one. When you try to update that single row, which underlying rows should change? The database can't determine that, so it blocks the operation entirely. A view that sums sales by region can't be updated because one aggregated value represents many transactions. Group by and having clauses cause the same problem. They group rows together, so updating a grouped result doesn't map cleanly to base table rows. Similarly, distinct removes duplicates. If you update a distinct value, should all the original duplicate rows change or just one? The database refuses to guess, making the view read-only. Joins introduce another layer of complexity. When a view joins multiple tables, an update could theoretically affect several tables at once. Which table should receive the change? If you join orders and customers and update a customer name through the view, should that propagate? Most databases restrict updates on multi-table joins to avoid this ambiguity. Some allow single-table updates if the join is simple, but it's not guaranteed. Subqueries in the select list or derived tables in the from clause also make views non-updatable. These introduce nested queries that reference other data and the database can't trace changes back through that indirection. If your view selects a column that's actually a subquery result, updating it becomes impossible. All these restrictions share a common theme. The database needs a clear one-to-one mapping from view rows to base table rows. Aggregates, grouping, distinct, joins, and subqueries all break that mapping. The database prioritizes data integrity over convenience, so it blocks updates when the outcome is ambiguous. Remember, views are updatable only when changes can unambiguously map back to a single base table row. Avoid aggregates, grouping, distinct, complex joins, and subqueries if you need write access. Now go practice this question and nail your interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.